What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making soup. Colvin saw the pots. He said, "You didn't tell me you're making soup." This is the easy, quick soup. Winter melon. I was going to make a soup with the thing inside, but logistically, I haven't figured it out.
Okay.
But I soaked this Chinese shiitake mushroom. I'm going to put this in too because it's tasty. Don't put the bottom. Maybe. I put the stem in it. Give it more flavor. I'm going to take it out, cut the mushroom. And then this I can cook it for longer. I show you how to cut the winter melon. I'm going to cut the ring because that will be easier. Cut the seed out. You don't eat the seed.
Is it bitter?
No, they're not bitter. This would be the easier way to do.
It looks like a cucumber.
No, we have this before, remember?
I know.
And Colvin said it's soup. I don't like it. I should show you a picture that I was trying to make one with a bigger winter melon. Then you can then cut it to cube. If this is okay size, like on this side it might be bigger, then you just cut it into half. Because I turn it on high.
Okay.
Because I'm adding a lot of stuff in it. You add anything cold, see that?
Yeah, it stopped boiling, really.
Yeah, stop boiling. If you don't turn it on high, it will be like mushy. It's not like the clean way of cooking. When I was cooking the ball, I put some corn in it. I'm going to cut it up and put it in when I'm finishing the soup. I'm not putting a lot of salt in here yet. I'm putting the Chinese ham and the salty pickled vegetable in it. That's why I don't want
so it'll be salty already.
Yeah, when it boils, I'll turn it to lower. The pickled turnip. Oh, and I'm soaking it again.
It'll still be salty, right, Joyce?
Yeah. You want a piece?
Sure.
When have you turned down a pickle?
Never.
Is it salty?
Yeah.
Still salty? I just tried it.
I like it.
Oh, wow. I soaked it for a while. It's pretty salty, okay? I'm going to put the ham in it. I already cut like the Chinese ham.
What makes it Chinese?
The Chinese make it. Basically, it's almost the same as the prosciutto.
Oh, Italian ham.
Yeah. But that's what I said, we're more alike than we think. Okay, start boiling. I'm going to turn it lower until the winter melon is done. I'm going to put this pickled vegetable in the soup. This is a baby king mushroom. This mushroom, no waste. You can eat the whole thing.
Oh, yeah?
I'm going to put it in the soup. I'm going to raise it higher. Anytime you put something whole in it, when it boils back, then I'll put shrimp, like the crown from making the soup, and I'm going to put it in. Because that's cooked. You want a piece? Chicken liver. When it boils back, I'll put this stuff in. Shrimp doesn't take that long to cook. I did everything already, except one. I'm going to peel this shell. I can save the shell to make broth and stuff. I haven't deveined it. This is going to be cut up. That's why I'm going to devein it like this. See that?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah. I didn't need to wrap it because it's going to put it into the soup. This is big shrimp. I'm going to cut it just 3 pieces. The chicken liver, a little bit of liquid minnow, and then a little bit of dark soy. I'm going to put a drop of oil.
For shine?
I don't know. It's like a half a thing. Because this needs to be cooked. That's why I put this one in first. It's pretty, right? We'll let it boil back before I put the shrimp. Because the shrimp doesn't take long to cook.
Okay.
I'm going to put some ginger julienne. I'm going to put all the shrimp. Hey.
Why not? So as soon as that turns pink, it's done, right?
Yeah.
Joyce?
That's why I didn't put it in early. Because if you cook too long, not like the crunch, like the fresh shrimp have a crunch.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to throw this carp in it. Because these are cooked, basically. Warming it up. And the soup is done.
That's it.
That's it.
Picture time.